Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word. It's actually really simple. There's multiple ways to do this. One way is, let's say you downloaded your image or you have that image downloaded. So you just come here, you just drag it. Just drag it to Microsoft Word. Boom, the image comes in. So you can format it, you can play around with it, and you can change the size. Let's say I want it to be 3 height of 3. And then look, it becomes much smaller. Or you can click here and play around with it like this, drag it and change the size. So that's one of the ways you can do it. And another way to add this logo is, let's say I'm going to remove this logo for now. I just come here, click on insert. There's multiple options here. Just click on picture. Okay. You could also search for online pictures, but for now I'm just going to click on pictures. And here I have it here saved up in my local disk drive under pictures. I'm just going to come here, click on the image I want, and click on insert. It is that simple. Okay, that easy, guys. If this video helped you, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.